What's going on, my people? It's literally been like a really stressful week for me so far, probably because of the fact that I have a lot going on. So in today's video, I'm literally going to show you guys. I'm in on a trade right now on EURUSD, so I'm literally going to show you guys the trade. What I'm currently on the trade. I think I'm currently on 2005. I'm in on 2 trades, so I'm literally going to flip the camera right now to show you guys. I don't know if it's focused. I'm going to flip the camera now to show you guys the trade I'm currently on EURUSD. I was able to capitalize on this particular trade. How I caught the analysis, and yeah, everything so far. So basically, I'm not home. Proud to the fact that I needed like a reset. I've been working so hard lately, so I needed like a quick reset. So I'm literally not home. I booked an apartment, so I've just been chilling for the past couple of days now. So basically, I'm literally going to show you guys the trade. I'm still checking the trade. I'm going to show you guys the trade, how I was able to capitalize on this one, the analysis and everything, then the profit I'm currently floating on. So I'm going to show you guys. Let me flip the camera real quick and show you guys how this is literally possible. So you guys can see this is the analysis on EURUSD. I showed you guys EURUSD, and this is the current position. I'm in on the 10 standard lots. I have a loss running on what's it called, USCHF and EURUSD in profit of around almost $3,000 to take profit. So basically, let me show you guys the analysis, how I was able to capitalize on this particular trade and everything. Yeah, this particular analysis on EURUSD, I used both what's it called, supply and demand and the retail concept to actually capitalize on this particular trade, this particular analysis, all of those patterns and everything. So what I saw that on the 1 hour, this is literally 30 minutes. That is the reason why I changed the chart like this. The structure is very clear that the market has been moving all the way to the upside for a very long period of time, making series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So price came all the way to this particular demand zone, came all the way, mitigated, value all the way to the upside, came all the way down again, so break this demand zone and break this particular demand zone. You guys can see. So when price cleared this particular liquidity here, breaking this particular demand zone, I knew that price was going to react from that particular area. So when I went to the 1 hour time frame, let me show you guys. I go to the 1 hour time frame, and this was exactly what I saw on the 1 hour time frame. This was what I saw on the 1 hour time frame. So I used the retail concept to actually look for possible entries. I drew my my trend line from I drew my trend line all the way. You guys can see tap, first touch, second touch, and the third touch. This was one confirmation. The second confirmation, let me show you guys the second confirmation. Second confirmation was a break and retest. Second confirmation was literally like a break and retest. This was a clear zone that price has reacted off of. Price came all the way, bounced, came down, broke the zone finally. So this was like a retest. So this was the confirmation I used to enter this particular trade. And on the 30 minutes time frame, I used my supply and demand principle or concept to actually enter the trade. This was my demand zone. This was my supply zone. Supply zone breaking this particular structure. Here was the liquidity. So when I plotted my Fibonacci retracement tool, I told you guys I always use my Fibonacci retracement tool to look for possible entries. So when I plot my Fibonacci retracement tool, you guys can see where I sold from. Plot my Fibonacci retracement to the 80.00%. This was where I sold from. I wouldn't want to sell from this particular 90.50, because the stop loss was quite reasonable. You guys can see it was 11 pip stop loss from here, so it was quite reasonable. So why wait for price to rally all the way to this upside before taking your sell? So I took my sales immediately from this particular area. Price started dropping all the way to the downside. So this is literally the reason for this particular trade on EURUSD. How I was able to capitalize on this particular move on EURUSD. So let me show you guys what's currently going on. almost to TP. It's about to hit TP. 2000. I'm in on a loss on this particular Euro CHF. 2006. So yeah.